Okay guys, today we're going to do a fitting video on this strip. We've had a couple of people say to us, it leaves chrome at the back. So what we're going to do is demonstrate how not to leave chrome at the back. So obviously you're going to get it first and you're just going to test fit to make sure, as you can see there, it goes right the way back. Obviously once you're happy with that, you can then do a primer. So we'll get the alcohol primer and we'll just give that a rub. So with these, don't get it on your black, just on the actual bit that you're fitting basically. And then just one wipe across and leave that to evaporate. Obviously we've already test fitted it, so we'll just go ahead and peel the tape. Okay guys, so we've peeled the backing tape off there. So the knack is to keep it upright, so not quite that much, but basically you can see it's got tape on the back and on the front there. And you don't want it to stick, so just keep it upright, get it as close as you can without sticking, and once you're in, nice and firm back, and once it's all the way back, only then go over the top so it sticks down, and that's it. So you can get these on our website. We do them in various different colours, so have a look there, www.kilochrome.com. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. See you till next time.
To create a song, I don't wanna miss